Hey you guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little update video. I just would like to thank everyone for participating in my recent premieres of the Collier edition. It was two parts, and I have got to say there were two really good premieres. I just want to say thank you to all who actually commented in the group chat. A lot of good comments in there about the horn action and all the good stuff I was able to get at Collier, man. I was very pleased um, of all the participation that was taking place, and I think lots of cool participation is also when it comes to one of these because I like to see users that have come back and have always tuned into my premieres. Even like new guys coming in, and I think um, having a little bit of diversity in the Q&A, and not the Q&A, but just the premieres itself and the Q&A too, but mostly the premieres, and I like that when the video is premiering live and you're actually watching it as the video plays, and I think it's really good that a lot of you guys are participating. I want to say thank you very much. Um, there are a couple of things I'd like to go over just real quick. I'm not singling anybody out, I'm just repositioning myself, but there are a couple things about the premieres I just would like for everyone to follow. Um, I've had some problems like this in the past. I'm not saying that it happened now. I'm just saying it just in the past. Some have left random comments on some things, and they haven't pertained to the video that is actually premiering and or that has been posted. Um, Please retain all comments to the subject of the video. Uh, I've addressed this a little bit. Excuse me, a little bit along the way. Uh, a little bit of random comments kind of throws everything off, but if everyone kind of sticks with the subject of the video, it makes everything go a little bit smoother. So please bear that in mind. Pertain all your comments to the comments to the subject of the video, so everybody kind of is on the same page. Uh, Another thing is to please don't ask when the end of the premiere is. Just continue to watch the video until it ends. That also brings up another point too. That enjoy the moment while it's there. Make the most out of the premiere because you can sit back and enjoy the video and chat with a whole lot of rail fans because there's a whole lot of rail fans out there who do a lot of rail fanning. Um, be a source of inspiration. Be a source of help. Uh, and I think it's a good little piece of inspiration for some of you younger guys that can learn from the older guys who've done it for a long time. And like myself, Train Act Productions, Standard Gauge Railroad, just to name a few guys. Um, Selma Scout on YouTube is another good example you can learn from. I've met that fella personally. He's pretty cool. Um, a lot of guys out there you can learn from. These are just to name a few of thousands and thousands of rail fans that you can learn from. So be a source of inspiration. It'll pay off in the long run. So don't ask when the end of something is. That is not allowed on the premieres. Um, Please do not ask um, about when I'm coming up somewhere next. That's kind of a personal question. So just kind of just keep that off subject, and plus I'd like to surprise my viewers when a new video is out because there may be a new twist in it. Um, so I'd like to keep that a little bit of a secret there. And the last thing is, it'll come to me in a second. It'll come to me in a second. Um, Shoot, I just can't think of it off the top of my head right now. But that's just a few little things. That's all, guys. I'm just trying to tighten things up a little bit to prevent a future problem. I just want everybody to have a fair chance. I do believe in fair chances. And another thing is too, I just thought of it now. Um, if it is random, just don't post random comments as much. You can still say, "Hey, look, I saw this on CSX on this part of the system, or I saw something on the on this part of NS. I mean, it can be related to NS or CS. Like in the Collier editions, for example, NS, CSX, and Amtrak are featured in it. You can say, hey, look, I got this unit on the NS side. Be on the lookout for something like that or whatever. I mean, but just try not to leave any heads ups on locomotives or anything like that. And somebody had, I think, mispronounced a shave and a haircut on one of the trains in the video. A shave and a haircut is this. I will do a mouth demonstration. Doot 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 doot. I even did it on my tap fingers too, but that is that sequence. I'll do it again with my hands. Take a listen. That's it. That's a shave and a haircut. It took me a long time to understand that, but just want to kind of clarify that for just a minute or two. So that's all, guys. I just want to just reinstate just to be mindful of those users and just a few of the things I'd like just to tighten up a little bit. So there's nothing wrong, guys. There's nothing wrong. It's just I just want everybody to have a good experience with my channel, and I just want everybody to have some fun. So anyway, that is all that I have for now. I do have one last quick announcement. Q&A prompt is still up as we speak. That will be closing on September the 28th, 11 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you have not submitted your questions, now is the time to do it because time is running short. I've received a lot of good questions so far, and I want to say thanks to all who have participated. So, so this is going to be another really good one. And then, of course, the 29th, I'll be putting the response video together. And then, of course, the responses will be released on September 30th. And October 1st will be the October Q&A prompt. But please bear in mind the fact there are new rules in that one. So please, please pay attention to that one when it comes out because there are some new rules in there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I really hope you enjoyed the latest premieres. If you have not viewed those videos, please go back and take a look at those because there's a lot of good catches in there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I thank you guys for watching.